Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and having a great day so far. So I'm just going to say it, I've burnt myself way too many times with a curling wand, more than I would like to admit. And every single time I was just standing there thinking, why am I doing this to myself? I am a mom and I don't have time to recover from styling injuries between work, school drop-offs, groceries, and the never-ending to-do list. The last thing I need is a burn mark because I wanted curls. So when I saw an automatic curling iron with a heat guard, I was immediately interested because if something can curl my hair without twisting my wrist in ways it was never meant to move and without burning my skin, I'm listening. So here it is, the TYMO CurlPro Plus. It's very sleek, very elegant. It comes in gold or pink and that's it. No gloves, no attachments, nothing. And honestly, I really love that because you don't need them. Everything is built into the handle, which keeps it clean, minimal, and way less intimidating, especially if you are a beginner. The controls are super simple. Anyone can use this. So over here, you've got the power/temperature button. So you can press and hold it for a couple of seconds to turn it on and off. And once it's on, now you can press it once to cycle through 3 heat settings. So we have low for fine, bleached or damaged hair, medium for normal hair, and high for thick or coarse hair. Now while it's heating up, the light will blink like this, and once it turns solid, you know it's ready to use. And then there's the direction switch, so you can choose whether your curl spins left or right. And finally, the rotate button. Now, this is the magic one. Once the hair is in the chamber, you press it once and the barrel spins automatically, pulling your hair in and curling it. And then you will hear a little beep when it's ready, which usually takes about 16 seconds. The outer housing is 360 degrees anti-scald, so even if it touches your skin while it's on, you won't burn yourself. And the cord rotates also 360 degrees, which makes styling easier. And the barrel is 4.3 inch long, so it works perfectly for long hair. And honestly, it just makes styling effortless, which is a rare thing in my life. Oh, and it shuts off automatically after 10 minutes of no use. Perfect for moms who get distracted halfway through because someone spilled juice or something. Okay, now let's get into it. Here's exactly how I use it. First thing first, you want to make sure your hair is dry and detangled. Seriously, don't put wet hair in here. We are styling, not steaming. And I like to section my hair as I go because I don't want to miss anything, especially in the back. Next, you want to choose your heat setting, and I usually stick with the medium. It actually heats up super fast, which is perfect for those busy mornings. And now you want to take 1 inch section like this. And what I like to do is twist it slightly at the root like this, so it slides into the barrel easily. Once it's in, you can press the rotate button and just hold. Let it do its thing. You'll hear a beep after a few seconds. That means your curl is ready. Then gently release it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that adorable? I like tight curls like this because don't worry, when I'm done, I'm going to brush them out and it's going to look perfect. You just have to trust me on this. Now let's do another one. So again, just take 1 inch section like this, twist it, slide it into the barrel, and press the button. Now, here's something I really love. If you accidentally feed it in too much hair, it automatically reverses if it senses a jam, allowing you to remove your hair safely, no pulling, no struggle, without any damage. I'm going to try to see if I can demonstrate this right now. So this is a lot of hair. We're gonna go for it. Now, I just want to say this, the built-in timer is great, but you are still in control. If your curl feels done early, you can press the button and release it early. And also, if you have coarse hair, you can wait a few seconds longer after the beep for a tighter result. So really, you have full control here. Just experiment and see what works best for your hair. And the best part is there's no twisting, no clamp rustling, no accidental burns. This is the kind of tool that makes styling easy and more enjoyable. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of my hair, and I'm going to set a timer so you can see how quickly this gets done. Alright, now I'm all done, and it took less than 10 minutes, which is not bad at all because I'm filming too. Now, look at these curls. How pretty. They are so bouncy and shiny, and I haven't used any products yet. Now, once my hair cools, I do like to spray in a little bit of hairspray and brush through it a couple of times. Then I add a bit of hair oil. You can also use hair serum, and just run your fingers through the curls for instant soft glam. And here's the final look. What do you think? Alright guys, this has been my favorite way to style my hair lately. I just love it. And to wrap this up, I can't tell you how much I love that I can curl my hair now in half the time it used to take and actually enjoy the process because I'm not constantly worrying about burning myself. If you've used a traditional curling wand, you know that split-second panic of, is this curl even worth it? That's why I think the anti-scald outer shell is my favorite feature because it takes all that worry away. And it is also quiet, lightweight, safe, and fast, and my curls actually last. Now, this is a shot of my hair after a full day. I thought you'd like to see how they hold up at the end of the day. So if you are already a curling wand bro and you have somehow never burnt yourself, you might not need this. But if you want safe, easy, fast, and reliable curls, this is it. And that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!